Need to stop a check with Wells Fargo? It's doable, primarily online or via their mobile app, reflecting the shift towards digital banking. First, log into your Wells Fargo online account or mobile app. Navigate to Account Services and select Stop Payment. You'll need to provide the check number, amount, date, and payee information. For urgent requests, you can call Wells Fargo customer service at 1-800-869-3557. Remember, there's a $30 fee for each stop payment request, and this fee is non-refundable, even if the stop isn't ultimately needed. Keep in mind that you can only stop payment on checks that haven't been cashed yet. If the check has already cleared, you'll need to dispute the transaction instead, which is a different process. As a preventative measure, consider using digital payment methods like Zelle or ACH transfers to avoid paper checks altogether. Wells Fargo charges a $30 fee per stop payment request. This fee covers the processing of the request and is non-refundable. The stop payment order is effective for 6 months from the date of issuance and can be renewed for another 6 months for an additional fee. It's crucial to request the stop payment before the check is presented for payment. Online requests are generally effective within 1 to 2 business days, while phone or branch requests might take up to 3 days. While there aren't specific daily or annual limits on the number of stop payment requests, excessive stops might trigger fraud alerts or account reviews. Also, you cannot stop payment on certified or cashier's checks. If a check has already been cashed, you will need to dispute the transaction. If you need to stop payment on a check, it is best to do it immediately.